If you've been watching my previous videos and wondering how to finally start trading, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to open your first demo account on Exness and start practicing live market trades without risking a single dollar. In the last video, we learned how to choose a regulated broker, and I mentioned Exness as one of the reliable options. Now, let's move forward and actually set up your demo account so you can experience real market conditions safely. Go to exness.com, click Register. Fill in your email and password, verify your email. Log into your dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. Then click on Open Account. Now you will see the account types. Select Standard as you are just starting this and click Continue. After that, select Demo. Then you need to select the currency, starting balance, nickname for the account, and leverage, also the platform, whether it is MT4 or MT5. After all this, set a password for this account and click Create Account. Congrats! You have successfully created your free demo account. Now you have options to trade as Exness provided web terminal, MT4 and MT5. You can select preferred platform and start trading with real market. Always treat your demo account like real money. This is where you test your strategies, risk management, and emotional control. Don't just gamble. Practice discipline here before going live. In my next video, I'll show you how to place your first demo trade and read charts like a pro. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Remember, learning trading starts with one step, and you just took it. See you in the next one.